Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to apply character spacing on your PDF file using Wondershare PDF element. Open your PDF file with Wondershare PDF element. Now click on this edit option, this menu bar, and select this edit text. Click on this down arrow and select text. Now click on this text box and select your text, drag your mouse cursor, and this right sidebar click on this properties option, and this is character spacing option. You can increase this character spacing and see this. I'll apply here 6 and see this. Also I will increase this character spacing. I'll apply here 10 and see this. All of this character spacing now sense, and I'll make it this character spacing I'll make it 10 and see this. In this way you can sense increase decrease your text character spacing. Yeah, and finally select this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.